Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I want to wish you happy holidays and a happy new year, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below to my channel. Ring the bell so we can give you notifications for when I go live, and I'm going live extra times during this holiday season. So I hope you will be able to join me for one of those, and with the notifications you'll get to know when that's happening. I'll also post that in my community tab. Today I have a very special video for you, and I'm so excited. My dear sweet friend Jeannie from Unfiltered 50s has given me a present. Oh my god. Have I ever told you how small my filming area is and how much stuff I have? Well, that was something falling. But what I did get today was a Glamlite Foodie box, and I got this in the mail, and I'm recording this, and I'm so excited about it. And I've got my bronzer, my brows, my powder, my foundation, my concealer on, and everything else is going to come out of this box. And I have opened this box and checked things out. And inside the box, it is filled with goodies, and we're going to go through and I'll show you what we have first, and then we'll get into the look. The first thing is the coolest thing, and it is the pie palette from Glamlite. And look, it's all glittery and beautiful, and Rhonda loves glitter. And with this side pony, it throws me back to the 80s, and it makes me think of all the glitter that I wished I had in the 80s. And it is a gorgeous palette. And there's a blush in the center, so I'm going to use that for my blush. And I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette for my eye look. And it is super pretty. Let's do some swatches. We love doing swatches. Swatches! We don't need no stinking swatches. If you like cowboy movies, you know what that's from. But anyway, and if you don't like cowboy movies, then you just heard it, and I hope you think it's hilarious, because I do. So let's swatch this blush. Let's see. Beautiful, beautiful. And then there are lots of shadows here. Looks like 4, 5, 9 shadows. Very cool. I'm going to start at the top with apple pie, then go to nutty pecan. Blueberry is a purple, and mud pie is a brown, and pumpkin is a rust color, a rusty orange. Oh shoot. I'm going to have to do that swatch over again. That apple pie is now inside my shirt. These are swatching really nicely. And there's the first 5 swatches. Beautiful. That pumpkin is a great orange. It's like a little bit of a rusty orange. Then I'm going to go to sweet potato, peach, blackberry, and mixed berry. Oh my god, peach is so beautiful. So that is the whole pie swatched on my arm. And let's put some blush on and get this eye look going. And then when we get to the lip parts and the eyeliner parts, we'll get into the box some more. So let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started in here. This side pony makes me want to dance around like a little crazy girl. Let's do that blush, which is beautiful cherry pie blush. I'm using a Scott Barnes 64 brush. Ooh, super pigmented. Let's get that blended out. Oh, it's really pigmented. Ooh, the only thing that's not in this box is a highlighter, and I am missing a highlighter. Let me get a brush to help blend this in. And this is a dual fiber Scott Barnes brush number 58. And there's also supposed to be a set of brushes that come with this set, but they're on back order. Let's see. Blush got down there a little bit. Woo, blush. We love it. Next up will be the eye look. And there's not really what I would call a transition shade to start things off with, but I'm going to use this shimmer Nutty Pecan in my crease. Nutty Pecan, you're my friend. Nutty Pecan, we're going in the crease. Oh, it is beautiful. This is a great place to start the eye look off. And this is blending out really nicely. I'm super glad I used this to start. I am loving it. The quality, I always heard Glamlite quality was so good, but I never knew till today. I am loving this color. Like, I'm going to try to keep it, I know I always say I'm going to try to keep my eye look simple, but it doesn't always work out that way. Just keep blending and blending. Why do I always make faces? That is just so beautiful. I'm very excited about this Nutty Pecan color. It is not pecan whatsoever, but it's got a great shift and shimmer to it. It is beauteous. Next, I'm going to go into Sweet Potato, which is a matte color. Oh, really nice. And it's just kind of deepening up this beautiful shimmery pink. And giving it some depth and dimension. Very nice indeed. I'm going to go under the brow with the peach with another brush. And let's see. The peach is super soft, and when I put my finger in it, I left a dent. Maybe I'll just swatch it with my fingers. It is like, feels kind of like a Super Shock shadow, if you're familiar with those. From ColourPop, that it goes on beautifully. And I'm just blending it out with my finger. And that looks super cute. I am loving it. And then I'm going to clean off that brush. And now we're going to go into, I think we're going to go into the blueberry and put that on the lid. It's also another beautiful shimmer. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's also very soft, like the other shimmers. That is super pretty, and I am loving it. I think that is going to be my look. Oh, I forgot to put highlighter on. This palette is fantastic and I'm super happy to have it. Let's put a little highlighter on. Let's do Glazed Donut from Ofra. That is super shiny. Ooh, that is wet looking. I'm going to blend that out. The duo fiber brush and soften it up. That's much better. That is gorgioso. So let's do the liner, and part of the things in this box is an eyeliner, and I think this is the bonus item that came because the brushes were missing. And this is the Glamlite Cosmetics Calligraphy eyeliner, and I've never used this before, but I am going to use everything else on my face except, well, they don't have mascara in here, but and it is beautiful. It looks like a calligraphy pen. Look at that. It is beautiful. And if it's like everything else Glamlite, it's very easy to hold. It's very pigmented. And it is a thicker line that I'm really used to. But it goes on very easy. It's very nice. Into the eyeliner stash it goes. And let's use some mascara from Dark Star from Pat McGrath Labs. And we're going to have several options for lips, which is awesome. And I love this mascara. It does a really great job on my, look at my lashes. Look at the difference. It's just spectacular. Oh, I look so glamorous. I feel kind of 80s and glamorous with this hair and this makeup. And for the lips, we have many options in here. Oh, there's also cookies and milk. I don't know what that is. There's cookies and milk. Let's see what that is. Watch that be a highlight. It's got really great packaging. It opens up just like a little milk carton. Cookies and milk. It is a highlighter. Oh, damn it. I should have investigated. But it's beautiful. I'll put that with my other highlighters. Silly Rhonda, couldn't wait. Had the glazed donut goes with the theme though. And next we have a lipstick in Red Velvet. And it's got, look at this packaging. It's just gorgeous. Look at that color. It is beautiful. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm not sure if I'm gonna see what we've got and then make my decision. I'm making all kinds of a mess. Ooh, it's a ghost. I have a feeling it might be a lipstick. Ooh, very pretty. Also like the pecan, nutty pecan color in the, oh, It's a lip gloss. Very pretty. Then we have some lashes, and I don't really do lashes, but those are gorgeous. Whoops, the lip gloss fell. Then we have one more thing left, and it says eggnog, and it's a little broken, the packaging. And that is beautiful. I think that looks like a winner. Looks like a lip color. That is beautiful. I'm gonna use that. Let's wipe off these swatches. I think it's a lip gloss, but I am digging it. So this is my look. And I love this foodie box. So thank you so much for being here with me today for this unboxing and try on. I hope you have a great day, a great holiday, and we'll see you real soon.